Hey all, it's Mr. Borowski, and we are going to be covering today Unit 1, Lesson 2, Skills for Future Ready Graduates. And so for this lesson right here, for today's lessons, we're going to be talking about skills for future ready graduates. And so what are skills for future ready graduates? And they are core competencies that we want our students to have in order to excel in today's world as well as your future careers. So the learning goal is we want you to be able to identify the skills for future ready graduates under each quadrant, and there are going to be 4 quadrants. And the daily outcome is to understand the skills. Some of the focus words that we're going to be talking about is going to be innovation and imagination, problem solving, information and digital literacy, communication, collaboration, interpersonal skills, engaged citizenship, international outlook, personal and social responsibility, self-awareness, adaptability, and perseverance. And each one of these keywords right here are going to be in one of the 4 quadrants that we're going to be talking about in just a second. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to the next page. All right, and on this page is going to be Unit 1, Lesson 2.1, Skills for Future Ready Graduates. So here are here is the quadrants for your future ready skills. And the future ready skills that we want y'all to master, or at least have a good understanding is going to be learning, interacting, participating, and growing. Also, under each one of these quadrants or each one of these skill sets, there are further skills that we want you to go ahead and master. So for learning, specifically, we want you to be able to innovate and imagine, problem solve, and then information and digital literacy. For interacting, we want you all to go ahead and master communication, collaboration, and work on your interpersonal skills. As for participation, we want you all to be engaged in citizenship, international outlook, and then also personal and social responsibility. And then final, the future ready skill is going to be growing, self-awareness, adaptability, and then perseverance. All right, let's go ahead and move to the next page. All right, so the next page is going to be Unit 1, Lesson 2.2, and again, Skills for Future Ready Graduates. So here is the milestone that's relevant to your age group. So when you graduate from Lawton Childs Middle School, you're going to be in 8th grade. And once you do graduate in the 8th grade, here are, again, the skill sets that we want you to be able to master. And further, so instead of just breaking them into the quadrants, the learning, interacting, growing, and participation, and innovation, problem solving, and information and digital literacy, communication, collaboration, interpersonal skills. And what you want to be able to do is you want to be able to answer these I questions. So for example, under learning, imagination, and innovation, I embrace opportunities to innovate and generate new and divergent ideas and practice them and practice putting them into action. So that's where we want you to be in 8th grade. And we've got I statements for each one of the categories and each one of the skill sets. Again, problem solving. I can identify a problem and select a process to investigate the possible solutions. So we've got those I statements for each one of the skill sets under each one of the categories. All right, so the next thing what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking a survey. And so in the next video, what we'll do is we'll go ahead and click on this link right here, and I'll walk you all through the survey.